In this video, I'll show you how you can mark an invoice as paid on Zoho Books. So you can see here that we have an unpaid invoice of £250 inside of the accounting software. Now, what would we do if the client has actually bank transferred the money already, we've received it, and we need to update the invoice? So it's pretty simple. We will go to sales, we will then go to invoices, and then you'll see all of the invoices. You'll see the ones that have been paid and the ones that are due. Make sure you choose the right invoice. You then click on that invoice. Once you've clicked on the invoice, you can click record payment here, or you might see it here at the top. Either way, just find record payment, then click record payment. You can then enter the amount that you've received. You can enter the payment mode. So I'm going to change this to bank transfer. You can then deposit it to a specific account. You can add any notes that may be required, and then you can click record payment. And there you go. It has now been paid, and you can see that, and it will reflect when you go to your invoices. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if it was in the comments.